guys, we're selling olive oil. He's selling coconut oil.
No, pork.
Virgin oil. And I'm selling coconut oil. Ano? Coconut oil.
Pork oil. Ano ka talaga. Tignan mo,
Coconut oil
namunas
for
din.
For sale.
For sale. Not sale.
1 gallon is ano? 1,500. 1,500. Mahirap na naman.
Hello, ito, nag-walking. Panay na lang ang ano. Ewan ko lang. Kailan kaya magleles kami ng 1 kilo 1 week? Just, Mayo Corazon. Mayo. Yes na. Tapa. 1 week. Dapat 1 week may 1 kilo na tayo maalis. Sana all. Sana all.